If you've accidentally deleted messages on Hopper 2025, you may be able to recover them. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the archive. Look for an archive or hidden messages section within the Hopper app. Sometimes, deleted messages are not permanently removed but moved to an archive. Step 2. Use the search function. Utilize the search feature in the app to look for specific keywords or context related to the deleted messages. This might help you locate messages that seem lost. Step 3. Restore from backup. If you regularly back up your data, check your backup settings. Restore your Hopper app data from the most recent backup to recover deleted messages. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the above steps do not work, reach out to Hopper's customer support. They may have additional options or tools to help recover your messages. Step 5. Consider third-party recovery tools. As a last resort, research third-party data recovery tools that are compatible with Hopper. Be cautious and ensure the tool is reputable before using it. If you follow these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages. Good luck!